lot of times when we're going to meet someone on window replacement, they're asking us, what's the best time of year? What do we got to do? What's the process look like? And there's not a ton of things. There's a few things. And so one is we do install windows year round. However, like a lot of people don't want us taking out windows in the middle of July or, the first week of February. And so we honestly will install windows all winter long. And as long as it's above 20 degrees and not snow, we're fine working. But I get to some homeowners who just don't want to have a bunch of windows open in their house. So first off, you got to figure out, do you care about timing? I will tell you, everything goes up basically in January anyway. And so a lot of times for a lot of homeowners, it's, well, do I want to have installed in December just so I can save some money? Or no, I'll just wait till spring. I know it's going to cost more money, and it kind of is what it is. And so another thing you have to consider is, if we're in Kansas or Missouri, anytime we do windows, if your home's built before 1978, we have to take into account lead paint. So if we disturb more than 10 feet in the inside or 20 feet in the outside, which is basically one window on the inside or two windows on the outside, we have to see, does it have lead paint? Do we have to account for that? So there's nothing changes from the window install. It's kind of the demo and how we treat it and how we collect the dust and how we keep you and your family safe and keep our workers safe. If it has lead, we have to do it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So there's not much you have to do. It's something that we have to do on our end. Something else to think about is, dogs and kids. And so like window install is much less noisy than new siding, but it's still noisy and still construction. So if you have a dog, you might want to consider boarding it, take it to a friend. If you have a newborn or a child under 18 months, you might want to consider having them somewhere else that day. Some people want to make sure, because we're in your house, they want to be home the entire time. So do you want to think about doing it on, a week where you can be home? Some people don't want to be there at all. So there's no kind of right or wrong. It's some basic things. We'll remove your blinds. We'll remove shades, all that kind of stuff like that. We'll pull out furniture. We'll clean everything. So you don't have to worry about anything other than, do you need to be home? Do you want to be home? What time of year are you okay with? What are some family considerations like young children or pets that you might want to consider? Otherwise, you tell me the parameters and we're good to go. Come out and take care of everything else.